my gosh. How did he even get here?
I don't know.
What you doing there, Case?
I'm pouring some diesel fuel after I menagered the thingamajinger on the Chingadero. They have these stupid little anti-siphon locks on there, so you can't reasonably pour diesel fuel in anything. Nothing like a little diesel fuel to get you going in the morning. Oh, good morning. We're on the road again today. We're in the Black Pearl, headed out to the Kaibab for a Jeep Gladiator, hauling a little camp trailer that's ran out of fuel and can't back up, can't go forward. Got to trim, spitting all over. Got to trim a few trees and maybe give him a tug up around where we're going, about 12 miles off the highway. So we'll see where we end up. We're gonna go hit the 89 and come in from the top, see if we can't find him, and we'll take you along for the ride today. Alright, we're off the main road now. Ooh, it's slick, icy. Well, this is a heck of a lot better than the mud.
A little cleaner.
In a quarter mile, slide right onto K4000.
K4000.
Slide right onto K4000.
Seems like a bad idea.
Continue for 1.5 miles.
Not stuck, right?
Breaking trail now.
Oh.
That was plenty of mud.
Here's some more. Ooh.
Well, the thing is this trailer won't even stay on this hillside.
Hey, we can even see on this hillside.
What seems to be the dilemma here?
In 600 feet.
Can't put my snow pants on if my boots are off. Ooh.
I hope he's not up this road.
In 400 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
I hope it's wrong.
And then how are we gonna find him if it is?
funnel or something.
I have a funnel in the rotor mount. Even outdoors.
Well, I just needed to press that down thing.
Oh, I can hold that.
How do you get that to open?
Yeah, when you push it, it'll open.
You think this will open it? That stupid thing will break off on me. Kind of stiff.
Had that happen before.
Yeah, everything. It ain't good.
Grab
It ain't gonna do it.
Man, dude. At like 5 in the morning, I said, it's time to pull over. Let me grab you a screwdriver, it's inside.
Yeah, whatever we got to do to depress that to get it to. Well, then I don't know if I want to be in front of you or behind you, or because if I need to drag your trailer sideways.
That's what I was thinking too, because we'll figure it out. Let's get
Yeah. Awesome. What a party that was. Woo! It's cold up here. Good looking pooch there.
What you doing there, Case?
I'm pouring some diesel fuel after I menagered the thingamajinger on the Chingadero. Just pissing me off. They have these stupid little anti-siphon locks on there, so you can't reasonably pour diesel fuel in anything. Nothing like a little diesel fuel to get you going in the morning. I guess all we do is just go slow and
I have my locker on. Yeah, I think.
I think you just take it really, really slow. There's some side wheeling stuff down there, but like I say, if we need to, we can put my wind up. If I have to, I can even put behind it with the strap. That's only a short one, but I think we'll be good. But I guess you're the man, bro. Let's see what it does. Okay, well, we got up here and got a little fuel in that rig. We're just working our way back down off the switchbacks and trimming a few trees that we need to. And we'll see what we can do to get out of here. It's kind of slip and sliding real easy. We go. It's my office, everybody. So where he's sitting is pretty steep. We just started off of there nice and easy. We were pretty concerned about how slick it was going to be. But overall, we had pretty good traction. You can see here we trimmed a few of these trees on both sides of the road. Some of this bigger one here on the right, you can see would have got his trailer. We didn't have to do a lot of trimming, but enough to just make sure we didn't do any damage. And so we were glad to have the little saw with us, and we got him out of there without any further problems. I know one thing for sure, when I show up on scene and you have a guy like this that can drive his vehicle and back a trailer and knows his way around the four-wheel drive and the steering wheel, it sure helps a lot when you're clear out in the middle of nowhere in inclement weather and in bad conditions. So it's always a breath of relief to have a good hand, even if it's a guy you're bringing fuel to and helping out a little bit. So kudos to him for being a great driver. This section of the trail is really steep, so we were taking it pretty easy. As I get to the bottom of this hill, I start to notice there's some bigger trees. So I get out to trim them, and if you watch the next section of the video, he just comes sliding down like a toboggan. And we had plenty of room, but man, he was worried, and so was I for a minute, that he was going to smash right into the back of the old Black Pearl. Big old giant Arizona strip buck right in front of us.
Super camouflage though. I don't even see him now.
Going right, correct?
Because this is where we got lost the first time. Yep.
That was a big old buck.
Looked like a buck.
Well, we're got 10 or 12 miles, work our way back out of here, but what a good time. We got him through that rougher area, and getting back to the hard pack, he'll be in good shape. Overall, this job wasn't too bad, but we had to get about 30 miles of backcountry travel to get to where he was at and figure out how he'd got on the wrong road in the dark. Got a few trees trimmed and got him out of there. So overall, it didn't work out too bad, and we didn't do any damage to the vehicle. But he was running low on fuel and made the call to make sure he didn't run that diesel truck out of diesel fuel and make it a problem to start. So it was probably a good thing he stopped, and we was able to get out there and get him back on the road again. It's a muddy mess. No worse for wear. One last shot of my office, and thanks for watching.